Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's the morning.
Yes, it is.
We're all currently eating breakfast. We're having smoky sausages, eggs, and some good old fried cinnamon bread.
And I got orange juice.
And Jake has orange juice.
It was the rain that was making that sound. And then last night I realized I'm literally listening to the ocean.
Jake,
You're doing like that?
Jake, I want to see the camouflage ninja again.
Okay.
Caught it.
Da-da-da.
Let's see some moves. Let's see some moves. Jake, I'm gonna throw this ball. I want you to karate chop it. Ready?
That was a punch.
Oh my gosh. Good though. Currently we're going to hike some trails. That is why my backpack is in front of me. So easy access to water and other goodies. Is everyone excited to go on this trail?
Yeah!
Jake is asking me to customize his walking stick because I did that for Elise a while back. I made her a walking stick that had a little pig on the end of it. I currently don't have a picture of it. Otherwise, I would throw it in here and show you guys. But I can't. But Jake said he wants me to try to do a penguin for him. Getting those gains. Jake back here, he's trying to follow in his brother's footsteps right now. So he's in the back just taking videos, vlogging around. If you guys want to see some Jake's footage, let me know and I'll put it in the next vlog.
Subscribe! Hey, get the cool tree in the back. Can you get the mossiness? But
Just finished the trail.
I'm assuming that is a very real smoke that someone put on the tree, and I don't know why.
Time for a new trail. Marsh trail.
No,
Well, that didn't last long. That was about 50 feet of boardwalk.
maybe it goes that way.
Yeah, the marsh trail continues out that way.
I don't want to paddle.
It's a weird looking moth. I've got a little shadow. He keeps following me everywhere I go. It's real sunny. Perfect for a nice beach day. This is the fit for the beach. Got the rubber ducky swim trunks, the pineapple Hawaiian shirt. You know how it is, guys. It's nice and warm. Officially at the beach. It's really dangerous for my phone, but let's do it. Ooh, that's some cold water. Ooh, that looks painful.
It is. Yeah, there you go. My head.
How are you liking the beach so far?
Yay.
That means yay? That means no? So how do you feel about the beach? Yay! This is my artwork. Tommy said he wanted to be a crab, but then he decided against it, and I gave him the idea of getting eaten by a shark. All right, let's put your hat up. You want to do your crazy getting eaten by a shark face? experience. Ready? I'm gonna pull you out of the shark's mouth. Tommy wasn't the only one who wanted to get buried today. Elise also wanted to get buried today. But instead of getting eaten by a shark, she wanted to get pooped out by a turtle. We got a kite. Abby's got it! Oh, no, never mind. She doesn't have it. Let's go, Abby! Oh!
Dude, that is gonna take forever to untangle.
I had it up the longest.
I don't think so. I think mine was better. I think that was the fastest flight.
No. I'm not used to having kite strings like this. What is this? Ain't no kite string.
There it is. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah, it does. Woo! Unorthodox, but it works. So, Abby, what happened?
So I came back, so how you see the chairs are laid on top of each other. I pulled this one off of this one and the bird flew out, so I thought it was nothing. And then I noticed there's an entire nest in the chair.
That's crazy. Dinner time. God, so much smoke. Making a grilled cheese on the fire. So yeah, Abby had the brilliant idea of putting tin foil on here so they don't get super dirty and messy inside. And I think the grilled cheese turned out amazing. I just got out of the shower. We're all winding down right now. I didn't notice how bad my tan was. I've got an awful tan line on my forehead now. Elise has a bad tan line on her wrist. Mom didn't rub in Dad's sunscreen on his back, so he's all streaky. Abby, do you have any bad tan lines?
My face is just pink.
Abby's got a pink face, and from her top, she's got some top lines on her back. Tommy is real red. So is Jake. So, lesson learned today. That's gonna be it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys liked it. See you on the flip.